Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to set privacy that no one can share your reels on their stories on Facebook application. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the Facebook application. So after opening the Facebook applications, so you can see three lines on the top right corner. So click on it and then click on setting and privacy. So after click on setting and privacy, click on setting and then scroll down. So when you will scroll down, here you can see reels. So when you will find reel option, so click on reels. So here you can see allow other to share your reels to their stories. You can see this option is on. So if you want to that no one can share your stories, share your reels to their story, so you can turn it off. So guys, in this way you can turn off permission that no one can share your reels to their stories. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.